All right, here's Creality. We're gonna check out their booth. I'm not a big giant fan yet. All right.
Pull that off, like this, open it up, and you yank out that nozzle, and out comes the entire, oh, looks like it walked away. Essentially, out comes the nozzle. It's as easy to change as that.
That's impressive.
In terms of the AI features, you've got 50% less waste when you're doing multi-color prints. You've also got a very generous almost 260 cube note size. You've got 260 by 260 by 255, and then you have you've got your linear rails on this device. What's great about this is you've got a full color RGB LED status light just at the bottom.
Okay.
So while the printer is idle, it will display any customized color that you want, as well as give you the status. You can see, I would say this is about 85%, maybe 90% complete.
Yeah.
And yeah, there you go. So you got 20 minutes left.
How long is it? 4 hours, 5 minutes?
Yep.
That's pretty good. That's impressive.
Can you add two MS? Can you add two modules? Two of these modules? Only one?
This is a simple starter pack, essentially. What we're doing is we're streamlining the price, we're streamlining the offerings.
And is that, are you ready to control it or no? Just a container?
It's just a container. So this is the CFS light. So this is just your standard filament system.
Okay.
If you want anything in terms of humidity control or humidity fans, that would be your CFS, your standard CFS.
And do you have to use just a slicer, or can you use Orca? Can you use Orca or just your slicer?
So for something like this, actually, we've got a new software coming out called FlowPrint. Now, for something like this specific lineup, the SPARKX, you want it to be as easy to use as possible. So I would actually greatly recommend you use our software. Because our software not only blends seamless settings, but it can also do things like transform a photo into a fully 3D printed item. So if I'm going to go into a bit of a dad mode here, but if I show you, that's a picture of my boy right there.
That is cute.
I feed it through the software, and out comes a 3D file.
Okay.
Not only will the software tell you, it'll set up the file, but it will also tell you the filaments that you need to buy to reproduce exactly this. And from there, I can literally just send it over to the printer, and out comes whatever I want. Perfect example right here. Is a full AI generated version of a very popular YouTuber, which I'm not going to name.
Jesus, I mean, miss the mustache. A question, the plate, can it go up to 300 so you could maybe print out with carbon fiber or no?
You're not, this is not,
Yeah.
so this is an
This is just a basic
it's a
one.
starter
Okay.
device. Yeah, so this is for the younger
A1 users, yeah.
Yeah, we're not calling them that. Actually.
Okay. Noobs.
The makers, the
noobs.
ROG guys, the PC Master Race.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Well, thank
so
you.
much, dude.
Thank you.